Hello Udemy, I am Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 8. Today we are going to discuss about the events. What are the events? So you learn this. That means this is the event. I already told you that this is the selector, this is the jQuery syntax, and this is the event. So all the different visitors actions that a web page can respond are the events. So how can you define the events? Like click, mouse enter, mouse hover, and something like that. We have a lot of events available in the jQuery, like click. As you know, this is the click. db click means double click, and you also have a key press, key enter, or key down, and other key up. These are the events available in the jQuery. So the basic syntax of these events are, you have to define your, this is a jQuery syntax, and your selector goes here, selector, and then your event here. Okay, so this is the event. So that means you are saying you are using this event, but what happens when this event occurs? So the next step is to define what should happen when the event fires. So that means you must pass a function here. That's why I'm saying this is the anonymous function. So this is the function. That means you are saying when the event occurs, then what happens? You have to define that what you want to do, or for suppose if you want to hide something, you have to define something here with the jQuery code or something like this. So that's why we are using we are creating the selector, we are using the event, and then if we are doing something else, that hiding something, adding something, or getting something, deleting something, that means you have to call the events, you have to call the functions, and in the functions you are define, or you have to define that after the click what happens. So that's why we are saying when someone click on this, we are hiding this button, or whenever someone click on this, we are hiding the paragraphs. For suppose paragraphs, go to your page, refresh the page, click on this, we are hiding the paragraph. Just a second, refresh, we are hiding the paragraph. So in this way your events work. We will discuss about each and single events in our later lectures, but step by step. Like we are using click, then we will use the double click, then we will use the hover, key press. Don't worry, we are going to use each and everything. So thank you for watching.